Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be answering a question we got from one of our users, and that was how to check the distance to their reference station. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've hooked up a rover receiver to one of our Stormcaster bases in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan up here in Canada. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the distance from my rover here in Calgary, Alberta to Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the top right corner there where there's 3 switches, a wrench, and a screwdriver, and I'm going to click it. And that is going to bring up my instrument settings menu. And from within this menu here, I'm going to click on link information. And you can see here that I've got my data age, so my latency between corrections. And then I've got my identification of my base, which in this case is just 4 zeros. And then the latitude and longitude. And then I also have here at the bottom my distance, and that is the distance to my reference station, which in this case is 533 kilometers, which makes sense as I'm in Calgary and the base station is in Saskatoon. And that is everything for today's video. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these how-to videos for you guys. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.